This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Trish Ellis. Now is your chance to be a homeowner. Huge LOT and NO HOA. Recent upgrades to enjoy for years to come. Roof 2018, HVAC 2018, new front porch and back deck, seamless gutters, open great room, kitchen with stainless steel appliances, sunny dining room, easy layout for living and entertaining. Nice sized master bedroom and master bath with dual sinks, garden tub and shower. Super sized driveway to park all of your toys. Enjoy the Florida sunshine and outdoor living lifestyle. Room for your boat too. Ruskin Location close to the Domino Boat Launch. Come be a part of the South Shore area. Close to I-75 for commutes to Tampa or Sarasota. Hurry, this one will not last. Here today, gone tomorrow. For more information